What happened? Hello? Are you sleepy? Hello? What happened? Sir? Hello? Are you comfortable? Hi. What are you doing? Oh, wow. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Happy day 14. The music you hear in the background is Francisco's music. But it is about 12, and all I've done today has been edit VLOGMAS 11 and 12. So I decided to combine those two as well, just because on Sunday we really didn't do much. On Saturday we did do a lot more than on Sunday. So I just combined the two, and hopefully those will be going up shortly. So that's fun. So that's done, and then I need to edit yesterday's VLOGMAS, but at least I'll be somewhat caught up. And then obviously today's. So we'll see when you guys will see all this. But anyways, just wanted to jump on and say hello. Hopefully you guys are having a good Tuesday. But anyways, yeah, that's the update for now. And then in a little bit, I'm probably gonna make the what was it called, like the trail mix that I had told you guys about with the cranberries. At least I think I told you guys about. I saw it on Jessica Braun and Tyler's vlogs that they did a trail mix with cranberries, pumpkin seeds, pecans, almonds. It had maple syrup, salt, and I think that's it. And it looked really good. So I'm probably gonna make that today, but we'll see. I don't know. There's a lot of things that I keep saying I'm gonna make and I end up not making them. So we'll see. Your dad's gonna kick your butt. What are you doing? I'm gonna show your dad this. Alright, so while Francisco gets here, I decided just to go ahead and make the trail mix just because it should be easy and, you know, shouldn't take too long. I have the oven preheating at 350. And I have 1 cup of the pumpkin seeds, 1 cup of pecans. It's supposed to be walnuts, but I mean, Francisco preferred pecans, so I just got these. Cup of almonds and a cup of cranberries, which you use at the end. You don't use them right away. So we're gonna go ahead and mix them in my bowl. I have my maple syrup, some cinnamon, and some salt, and we're all ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and mix it. Like I said, I'll link the actual recipe below, or like the link to the recipe if I can't find the actual recipe, which should be really easy. I mean, it doesn't look very hard, but I'll go ahead and do that. And yeah, let's go ahead and make this trail mix. All right, so I added the cranberries, and here is the finished trail mix. I think I put it in for a little too long, or maybe it was just a bit too high because some pieces got a little overcooked. But I tried it and it actually tastes really good. So I tried a piece, so I'm gonna serve some and actually try it with the cranberries. So we just finished Wentworth, the last season. And San Francisco, I watch Grey's Anatomy, and I'm a lover of Grey's Anatomy. I know a lot of people think that it's going on for too long and it's just boring, but I love it. And I told them, I was like, if they would have done a good job with Wentworth, I think they could have continued it longer, kind of like Grey's Anatomy. I mean, Grey's Anatomy is kind of like a legend show. Like, I don't think any other show could compare. But, I mean, maybe they could have done a good job with it, but oh well. Season's over. The ending was okay, but anyways, have you guys seen the new season? Are you gonna come try it?
Yeah, I'm going right now.
The almonds are yummy. The cranberries actually mixed in with everything tastes good.
Is it? It's crazy how sour the cranberries are, though. It's actually pretty sour. It's almost like a sour candy.
I feel like it sets off the trail mix up, right? I think it's pretty good. I think it could have been better.
Not bad for a first attempt.
Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all. So I'll try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Could it be that I'm lucky to have found someone who is just as crazy as me? Or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Come back to my place, we can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did. Love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night.
guys. The time is up. I'm gonna go shower, wash this off, and wish me luck. All right, so I'm gonna get started on dinner, and I'm gonna make steak cubes with mashed potatoes and Brussels sprouts, and then probably chimichurri somewhere. We have some in the fridge that I want to use up before it goes bad, so I'm gonna take that out too. Probably put it on the steak after it's cooked.